Hey, what's up? It's your boy Hvnter. And if you want to know how to upload a video on rumble.com and get paid, well, you come to the right video. Uploading videos is super simple. It's just like uploading a video on YouTube or on Facebook. But let's just go through the quick steps of how to upload a video on Rumble. You can upload a video through clicking on this icon here, and you can also go live, which is a new feature on Rumble, which is going really well. But you have to be a pro member. I'll speak a bit more of that later on. But let's just get into this. So you click on upload. You find your video file, upload your video file. You just wait for it to thing, then you just give it a title, your video file, and then you give it your description, your info, and whatever you want to tell your customers. And if you're a marketer or if you're promoting a business, make sure you put your call to action, all that good stuff. And then you've got choices of these three thumbnails, which is auto upload, but you can also go here and find your own image to upload. Boom. All right. And then you put in your tags. It's just similar, just like YouTube. And also, if you watch my other videos, you will see how you can integrate your YouTube channel. So when you load up a video from Rumble, it instantly goes to YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo, whichever accounts you want to activate. So you put in like basically your tags, which is your tags right there, and it's unlimited. I think up to say similar amount as YouTube. Then you find your channel that you've got. I've got 4 channels, so we'll just like pick Hvnter, and then you just click upload. Now there's 4 options that you get paid. I'm going to go into more details in another video, but the best option to take if you're creating your own content and it's your exclusive content, where you click this one and you get paid out the most. You get paid through if you use the first option, you get paid through Rumble itself. They do ads on their videos. Let's go and check a video right now and see your ad. So you see, you got ad there, and you have ads here. So you get paid through rumble.com through them promoting their ads, and also you get paid through YouTube. If you go onto YouTube, so you get paid through YouTube, and you also get paid through MSN, Yahoo, AOL, and plethora of others. And then the second one is similar as I just explained, but not with YouTube. And then if you choose, if it's not me personally, the videos that I upload on Rumble, how I got to 44,000 subscribers, they're not my own exclusive videos, so I always choose Rumble only, this one. But I'm speaking to people who's content creators, people who's finding their own videos, not copy and pasting videos off of YouTube, cat and dog videos, and posting them up. But let's get back into the training. So you'll choose this one to say who's in the video. I would just say like Hvnter, and then the name and where have you done it, UK, like say USA, and then you can put in your YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat username. I'll put in Hvnter. Then agree to the terms and conditions. Don't forget to read the terms and condition. Don't just take my word for it. Read it through and make sure you know what you're getting yourself into. And you click submit, and you're good to go. After you have uploaded your video, it'll take a little time. It'll take a little time to process, like 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how good your internet connection is. And then after it's uploaded, it will tell you. So let's, as you see, submitting it. Just wait for a bit for it to submit. It's doing its thing. Then your videos will be here, and then you can also edit your video, re-edit your video here. The editing is a bit. It's not YouTube as YouTube is, but as they go along, and I'm sure content creators are giving their feedback, they will improve it. But it's because it's just a little box here, so you've just got this little box to just do whatever you're doing, and then also you can redo the title, add in your information, change the image if you want, caption. This is, oh yeah, you can also add captions so you can have subtitles in it. So it's a really good platform. As I say, you can get paid if that's what your sole purpose is. That's what most people that's watching my video, they want to find out how to get paid on Rumble. And as you see, I'm getting paid, and I'm sure there's other content creators like Viral Hog. He does copy and paste stuff, but he's earning bank. Let's give you a quick look. He's earned $18. He makes money just off of this one video. Yeah, look, it was the first one, 900, obviously from last year, but he's earned a grand. He's This one video has earned the same amount as what my whole entire being on fucking, excuse my language, just one video. So it's your boy Nathan Hunter telling you to give Rumble a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos. Check out my other videos as well. I share a lot of videos about how I'm a Rumble expert. As you see, I have got 44,000 subscribers, so I know how to navigate. I know what I'm doing for the purpose what I'm trying to get reach to with Rumble. And I'm sure if you give it a try, it's just as easy as YouTube, and you don't have to have that 1,000 subscribers and tons of watch time. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm out.